We're going to do a different video this morning, and this will be just one verse from Paul's book of Romans. It will be in chapter 12 and verse 2. Now, the reason I'm doing that is because there are two words in that one verse that are very important words. One word is conform, and the other word is transform. Now, what does the word conform mean? Well, essentially, conform means to be like something else. Transform is to be unlike something else. So that's the sort of root meaning of those words, and we haven't gone very deep into it. But what I am going to do with these, I'm going to take a few Bibles and show you how they understand these words, because in my way of thinking, they are very important things just in this one verse. Now, this will be called, this video and others after will be called Romans 12:2. This is number 1, and it will go in the Bible folder. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the Voice Bible, which is the same as the Compass Bible. It's just a different looking Bible, that's all. But the Voice Bible's own translation of this verse is very interesting. So I will read that to you now. So you will notice me turning my face over here to read this. Now listen very closely to this. Do not allow this world to mold you in its own image. Instead, be transformed from the inside out by renewing your mind. As a result, you will be able to discern what God wills and whatever God finds good, pleasing, and complete. Now, as you know, the Voice or the Compass Bible often has commentary on it, and this does have a commentary, and it says, but how should we live? We do not live as before, wrapping ourselves in the world and its bankrupt values. We live in constant renewal and transformation of our minds. So there you see in this Bible not only the verse as it's translated, but also the comment on it. So you see that conforming is totally different than transforming. Conforming to the world with whatever values it may have is not what we should be doing. We should be transformed by how? By the renewal of our minds. That is to say, we need a new mind, not a mind we had before. So it transforms your mind from one mind to another mind. So even though you're the same person, once you are transformed, you don't have the same mind you used to have. And because of that, you will be able to discern, understand, appreciate, and come to what's God's will, and so forth. Now, we have only used that Bible. Now, what I'm going to do next, and I'm going to take more Bibles. I'm going to take the Expanded Bible, and I'm going to take two versions of the Amplified Bible. So that's what we will do next to get this section interested and get this section in the order of its great powerful value system, which is totally different than the way we normally live.